Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial for Easy Love. Easy Love is a remake of ABC by the Jackson 5. It's super fun and I like to use this song as a warm-up. So just get the body moving, let's learn this section. So section 1, we start with just an easy walk side to side. We walk to the right, 1, 2, 3, clap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now same tempo, we're gonna add a little turn in the next section. We just finished here. We go 1, 2, 3, clap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 is the chorus. So it's a nice little side step, side and side. We're gonna have these winding arms up and down, a la Jackson 5. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we add a little turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, wind it up, 6, 7, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn it, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to take it up towards the mirror. We're going to walk up 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side to side, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, walk it back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on that side to side step, we're going to open up the arms side to side of the diagonal. We're going to stretch the chest, just like this, right here. Yeah, so there's 4 sections of those. So we walk up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 more, 1, 2, 3, back, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, we have a little wind to the ground. It winds down and winds back. Down and back. So we just came back 5, 6, 7 to the right. Wind down. 2. Ta. 1 more. Ta. Little turn like the beginning. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. Double clap there. 1, 2, other side. 1 more. Little turn. Pa, 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 clap, clap. Well, last section of this warm-up is a little pump of the arms. We're gonna get the booty working and the upper body going as well, getting those arms going. So we just finished that turn with a double clap. Clap, clap. The bottom's going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to add a little across the body. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your Easy Love warm-up. Awesome, let's dance it.